Dr. Ari Deuk at the Deuk Spine Institute on November 29, 2021. I'm here with one of my lovely patients who 6 weeks ago you had surgery on your back. We did the Deuk laser disc repair. And why do we do surgery? What kind of problems were you having with your back?
I had extreme pain from my lower back through my hip and all the way down to my calf. Had a burning calf for over a year that couldn't attribute to anything else. Started out with the calf and went all the way up and finally ended up figuring out it was related to my back.
That's right. You had a pinched nerve and a herniated disc. You had back pain and left leg pain. Do you still have that pain today?
No, zero.
Gone.
Gone.
Cured.
Absolutely.
And it's been 6 weeks, so we don't have you on drugs.
No, nothing.
And what kind of a difference has that made in your life?
God.
Both of you.
Oh, when she was having the pain before the surgery, I felt so frustrated because I knew she was in pain. There was nothing I could do to help her alleviate it. All I could do was try and help more around the house. And it would still get so bad that she would be in tears. Since the surgery, her laughs come back. You know, she's been very good in what she couldn't do right after the surgery. So she really has put in the effort plus to make sure that this surgery is successful down the road.
Good. And how does that make you feel knowing that she's out of pain?
Oh, tremendously grateful. Because I would just get so frustrated I couldn't help her.
Yeah. And you tried to get help elsewhere, didn't you?
I did. I tried epidurals, I tried cortisone shots, and I did not realize that it had gotten as bad as it had.
Those things didn't fix her. It didn't fix you.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Not at all.
And the Deuk laser disc repair did.
Oh my God, you have no idea, sweetheart. Oh my God.
I know, and I want the rest of the world to know because we can help other people. So
I am, sweetheart, I am so grateful you have.
You are welcome.
Oh,
it is my pleasure.
God.
My mission in life is to get people out of pain.
You succeeded.
And back to being normal and enjoying life and enjoying relationships and each other.
You changed my life.
Good. That's what I want.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Happy holidays.
Thank you. Happy holidays.